Good morning, everybody, and this is your Forex day trade setups for today. So, a very interesting day on Forex yesterday. So, let's just start off with Euro USD, and you can see the levels that we were talking about yesterday. I've still left them in. We broke through this level to downside, which is 096056. Sorry, 096059. We did break through it, but we formed this massive pin bar here. So at the moment, I don't really want to be chasing shorts here because we are too far away from the moving averages at the moment and there is no structure. So the most logical area for me for shorts is all the way back up here at 098659 and 098110. If we drop down to the hour, and we have a look at what happened yesterday. Big down, big up, and then sideways confusion. And I suspect that is pretty much what's going to happen. So will continue to happen. So what we do want to do is just pay attention to these two levels here as well. So that's 096695 and 096914. If we get another rejection off there, you are range bound and you're looking for a gap close down here to 096059. That's the only trade that I can see. I would be interested in seeing price get back into this zone here, 098110, before start looking for shorts again, to be honest. So for me, this is just chaos right now, and I am leaving it well alone. Moving on to US dollar Japanese yen. Pointed out this megaphone yesterday. We are still in that megaphone, and until we find support or resistance on one of these two levels, I'll give them to you now in the hour, I am staying far away from this. So I want to see a decent level of support here at 143733. Could have happened yesterday. Okay. Or alternatively, I want to see a decent rejection here of 142906. For me at the moment, this is a no-go, so I'm leaving the dollar well alone. Moving on to the pound, pound Japanese yen, not British yen, but same scenario here, massive fall in the pound and then massive recovery. So just to put this into perspective, so we had a gap down and we were down 4% at one stage, okay. And then basically what we did is we moved up 5.6%. Okay, and that's just based on some noise coming out of the UK about tax cuts. So, yeah, and central bankers stepped in immediately, and we will raise interest rates as much as we need, and there's a whole lot of chaos going on. But anyway, not the new Prime Minister's brightest move at the moment. So for me, this is stay far away from the pound as well. So there's too much noise, too much going on here, which could impact you one way or another. It's very difficult. I mean, I can see people would have been looking for shorts here on a retest, and then you can see that they got taken out. Stops got hunted and then dropped down again. So trend is down, but I don't think I want to get involved in this at all. We'll wait for the noise to settle. And the same is going to be for Euro, British Pound, and it's exactly the same scenario here. You can see a massive swing up of 3.94% actually, and then move down of 4.6% before coming up. So big up, big down, massive confusion. We've got diversions here. Have a look at that. Big diversions there. So that's not conducive for any moves to the upside. And if we did down to the hour, exact same scenario. So if we do find support here, there may be a move back up to test this, but if you look at the trend line that's forming, I don't trust it at all. So until we get some sanity in the forex markets, I am sitting on the sides. I do see potentially some opportunities on the indexes, although even there it's looking a little bit shaky. So be careful, guys. Be very careful. I think we're coming up to the end of the month as well, so there's a lot of scrambling to try and sort of set yourselves up, set people up for the next month. So that's just going to add to this volatility that we're seeing at the moment. Anyway, guys, no, that doesn't help you today, but rather safe than sorry. So I will not be looking at Forex at all. Hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.